What's up, guys? In this video we're gonna wire up the transmission. This is for a 4L60 or 80. Alright, here's the harness. This end plugs into the transmission. This one goes to the computer. So yeah, that should be fairly easy. We do got some loose wires to plug up after I get it ran. I guess I'm just gonna run this down in there and plug it up, and let's see and go from there. Alright, so I got the harness ran down behind here, and it goes over the transmission to the passenger side. That's where my connections are. I got a 4L60E, so connections on that side, and I think the 80's on the driver's side. Alright, so under here, this is your main connection. It just clicks on there like that, and then you got your speed sensor right here, and then there's another wire right here, but you don't use it on the 4L60. It's used on the 4L80, so I'll probably just put a zip tie on that, hold it up and out of the way. As you can see, it goes up and away from my transmission lines over to that side. So that's all of this in. That's pretty easy. Just two little plugs. Out here, I think I decided to cut me a hole in the firewall right here to run my transmission line in, so I can connect it to the computer. And I already got a hole right there. I might try to use that as the side of my hole. I got to drill a 2-inch hole in there, so all this stuff will fit through there. And then I got that rubber grommet. Then I got this rubber grommet that I can put in that 2-inch hole. Alright, so inside the truck, this is where I plan on drilling from, this side. As you can see, that little hole right there. I'm almost touching it. Right here. I think I'm gonna have to take the gas pedal off so I can get straight with it. See, if I try it with the gas pedal there, it's too much of an angle, so I'm gonna have to take that gas pedal out. Got the hole cut in there. I don't think I drilled into my fuel lines. Alright, I call that a success. Alright, now I gotta cut this boot so I can get this in through it. So I think what I want to try to do is just cut a slit on one side here and see if that works. If not, I might have to cut one on the other side, or I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I split it on one side here. Let's see if that works. Not quite. Alright, got it on two sides. It seemed to work. Take this relay off, so I ain't got to squeeze it through there. Maybe. There it goes. Now, am I going to squeeze it through there? That's even bigger than that one. And I got the cable. I don't think that's gonna work. Alright, so I tried a bunch of different ways to try to get this thing over that relay, and it just wasn't happening. So I just cut it in two. Well, not in two, but cut one side so I could just slip it over the harness like that. Now just put the cut side at the bottom. So yeah, now I just gotta run all this stuff through that hole, and then we can put this rubber grommet on. I got it ran up in here, right there. It comes around, it comes out down here, and it plugs into this side of the ECU. Now I just got 4 wires to hook up. You got the black is the ground, red is constant power, the red with the white stripe is a switch power, and then the gray goes to the brake light switch, which I got right here. Somebody else already tapped on it before for whatever reason. I'm gonna cut that out and add this wire in on there, and then that'll be it for the transmission. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.